G'day Year 7s and welcome to our second video in our measurement chapter. Yes, I've got a bit of a pause happening there, but we'll get on with it. Okay, this one we are looking at exercise 11C. I'm trying to get through this quicker for you guys. Trying to, but let's see how we go. I do talk a lot. Anyway, the distance, what am I doing that for? 11C, perimeter. Okay, so what is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around the outside of usually a two-dimensional object or two-dimensional shape. Okay, that is the perimeter. So the distance around the outside of something. So the distance around the outside of a two-dimensional shape. I just said that, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Anyway, no, I'm only joking. Yep, I knew it said that. Is called the perimeter. The word perimeter comes from, I'm not going to go through all that, but it's basically, yes, it is the distance around the outside of an object, and most of you will know and understand that. Okay, a few little notes. Perimeter sometimes denoted as P. So when we do perimeter problems, usually we'll say P equals da 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 da. Okay, whatever that may be. So that means perimeter. Okay, and is the distance around the outside of a two-dimensional shape. I said that 3 times, so hopefully you now understand that P is perimeter and is the distance around the outside of a two-dimensional shape. That is the 4th time. Just trying to, repeat, and hopefully that sinks in a little bit quicker. Sides of the same with the same markings are of equal length. So if you see here the 2 little dashes around here and the 2 little dashes around there, it means they are the same length. So if that is 1.6 centimeters, I am having a few problems speaking at the moment for some reason. This length with the same markings is also 1.6 centimeters. Okay, the unknown lengths of some sides can sometimes be determined by considering the given lengths of other sides, and we'll, next slide with a couple of examples, will actually show an example where we are missing some side lengths and we've got to calculate them before we can find the perimeter. Okay, so to find the perimeter, you are basically just adding up the side lengths around your two-dimensional object. So in this case, we've got 1.6 plus 1.6 plus 2.8 plus 4.1, this one, add all them up and you get 10.1 centimeters, okay, as your perimeter, the distance around the outside of a two-dimensional shape. Okay, find the perimeter of each of these shapes. So we've got this triangle, so very simply, perimeter equals, okay, so I know I've got 3 centimeters, I know I've got 5 centimeters, and that's the other thing, don't forget your units. Okay, we're doing a unit here looking at lengths, so you can't forget your units. You can't just give an answer here, just say if we had these 2 numbers only, an answer of 8 and nothing else. So you need to specify, is it 8 centimeters, is it 8 meters, is it 8 kilometers? You've got to say what it is. Okay, it also looks at, this unit looks at area and things like that, so you've got to be very clear on the units, so don't forget your units. Alright, now we've got 3 here and we've got the 5 gone, but don't know this length, but we've got the dashes, which means this side length is also 5 centimeters, so I'm going to add another 5 centimeter length to that. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 3 gives me 13 centimeters. That's it, really simple. Okay, example 2, and this video is nearly finished. How quick is this going to be? Record time. That depends on whether I decide to talk about stuff like now, but anyway, we'll move on. Alright, so 6 centimeters here, so P, perimeter, equals 6 plus, so that one, plus 3, plus, oh, we don't know this one. So this is one we've got to work out. So we look at what other, and this is where we come back to our notes. Where's our notes? Unknown lengths sometimes can be determined by considering the given lengths of other sides. Okay. So is there enough information? So do we have enough information to work out this side length here, from there to there? Okay. Well, we're looking at this, so we know that that is 6. Do we know this little section? Yes, we can use this. So that is 2. So from there to there, if we extended that out, was all up 6 centimeters, then that in here must be 4 centimeters. So it's basically the 6 minus, oops, that minus didn't work, minus this 2 will give us that 4 centimeters, and this pen's not working for me very well at all. Alright, so this length in here is 4, so 6 plus 3 plus 4. We've got this one which is 5, so plus 5, plus we've got that one, so plus 2, and nothing here. So we don't know this one either. So what information do we have? Well, we know this is 3 and this is 5. So that length at the bottom here must be the 3 to there plus another 5 gives us 8 centimeters. So that last length is 8 centimeters. So now all we need to do is add all these guys together. So 6 and 3 is 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 5 is 18, plus 2 is 20, plus another 8 is 28 centimeters. And I just want to check that again, go the other way. 8 and 2 is 10, 15, 19, 22, 28 centimeters. Here's my final answer for the perimeter. Okay, so you will from time to time get problems where you're missing some of these lengths. Yeah, is there enough information? Usually in problems there involving finding perimeter, there is going to be enough information. You've got to look at all your other lengths that you've got, and using those lengths within the shape, you can usually work out any lengths that are missing. All right, so it just requires you to look out of the box a little bit, find the measurements you're looking for, and work out the missing lengths. All right, that is it. That's perimeter. Nice and simple. Like I said, very short video, this one. That is exercise 11C, so I reckon you guys are ready to get stuck into it. All right, bye-bye.